What is it that inspires real growth? What empowers us to think different? What makes us embrace modernity and keeps us future ready? Haryana is ready and steady to go digital all the way. Haryana has always remained at the forefront of information and communication technology. Technology that runs in our veins will now pump lifeblood into our agenda of inclusive growth through e-governance.
Yes, we are committed to effectiveness and efficiency in governance, transparency and accountability towards citizens, and weeding out corruption. We are using information technology to achieve the same. I once again assure that our government will not leave any stone unturned in supporting this digital Kranti in Haryana.
Digital Haryana vision on the pattern of Digital India vision is based on three fundamental principles. First is infrastructure as a service to be made available to each and every citizen of Haryana. The second principle is governance and services on demand. We are already delivering more than 229 services through e-governance mode of various departments to the citizens of Haryana. The third and the last most important pillar is digital empowerment of the citizens. All these services of the department and the government can be utilized by the citizens if we bridge the digital divide.
Haryana embodies the spirit of Digital India. We lead with examples. The state has assimilated the 9 pillars of this visionary initiative into 3 streamlined pillars. We are proactive to provide a robust IT infrastructure to digitally empower our citizens across the spectrum. This entails making them digitally literate. Digital availability of all educational resources will help our people to harness their own growth potential and that of the state of Haryana. Public Wi-Fi hotspots have been installed at over 100 locations. Atal Seva Kendras or Ask Centers have been set up to deliver e-services to citizens at their doorsteps. Result-oriented skills development tops the list of Haryana. We efficiently implemented this mission by a centralized nodal agency, Skill Development Mission and Haryana Vishwakarma Skill University. G2C and B2C services are being delivered using digital platforms by installing a unique and holistic end-to-end computerized digital ecosystem. Umang, a mobile platform provided by Government of India, seeks to deliver at least 50 G2C services at your fingertips within a year. Using the digital solutions, our public distribution system is being streamlined by weeding out duplicate beneficiaries. Our dexterity in digital finance management has many firsts to its credit. Yet another first. Registration system for birth and death are now Aadhaar-based in Haryana. This now has 100% coverage, including private hospitals. Under the Right to Service Act, the state government has notified 234 services under multiple departments. DigiGaon, an ambitious project of Government of India for inclusive growth, under implementation in the state of Haryana, best illustrates Haryana's strong commitment to imbibe the benefits of inclusive digital growth to the grassroots, to improve the quality of life of our rural citizens.
ग्रामीण अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत बनाने के लिए जिन बातों पर हमने जोर दिया है वह है टेक्नोलॉजी, रोजगार के नए अवसर और सुदूर इलाकों में मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी। इसके लिए आज हम कुछ और नई ई सर्विसेज शुरू कर रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ आईटी, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, स्टार्टअप और मोबाइल टावर के लिए नई पॉलिसी लागू कर रहे हैं। यह कदम हरियाणा को देश के डिजिटल मैप पर अग्रणी करने में कारगर होगा।
Haryana has won 28 awards in last 2 years for its innovative and strategically potent e-governance initiatives. No wonder almost all major ITC players believe in Haryana.
In the 1980s, Maruti Udyog chose Haryana as the location for the first truly modern car factory in India. Since then, many entrepreneurial, innovative and fast-moving companies like Nagarro have made Haryana their home.
Haryana has always been on the forefront of technology. Since the last 15-20 years, Haryana has always taken the leap in building technology companies here in this area. As we look at the evolution and now moving to digital, digital is becoming the core of what all of us do today. And Haryana and Gurgaon is now building capability and capacity to take on the digital wave.
I think we have a huge opportunity in Haryana. I have no doubt that the Haryana government, along with the very dynamic administration that we have, many of whom I know personally, are going to grab this opportunity with both hands and make Haryana the digital hub, not only of the country, but indeed of the world.
In 1994-95, Hughes had to set up its first R&D center in India. It chose Gurgaon as a preferred destination. Haryana and Gurgaon still continues to be a preferred destination for the IT and the high-tech industry. The Haryana government also is very helpful, and the IT policy is very conducive for the growth and promotion of IT industry in Haryana.
To encourage startups and entrepreneurship, incubation centers are being set up at universities. A state-of-art innovation center is also being set up in collaboration with NASSCOM.
When it comes to the Indian IT BPM industry, Haryana has always been proactive and forward-looking. By choosing the right partners, it has grown from strength to strength and has built capabilities and resources in frontier areas of the technology. NASSCOM is proud to have been associated with the can-do, will-do state of Haryana in many initiatives connected with the IT BPM sector.
Haryana is coming with another STPI center at a 2-acre plot in HSIIDC, Panchkula. Haryana is ready to explore and expound every new technology with progressive thinking and a strategic approach towards business development. Our performance speaks for us. The milestones we've reached makes us top the list of investment destinations in India.
BharatNet is expected to be rolled out completely in Haryana by September end, which means each and every Gram Panchayat will have 100 Mbps connectivity. We are also coming out with the communication infrastructure policy today on the occasion of Digital Haryana Summit. But going forward, we would want to deliver all the services of all the departments in an online fashion through e-governance for every citizen in a cashless, paperless and faceless mode. In addition, we also want to make Haryana the electronic manufacturing hub and the hub of innovation and startups. And in this regard, we are coming out with a IT and ESDM policy and a startup policy today on the occasion of Digital Haryana Summit.
Endowed with top-of-the-line infrastructure, cutting-edge technology and the highest quality of life in the nation, the state with its smart cities presents a perfect work-life balance every day, day after day. We are the thought leaders of the nation. We are here to succeed as a team. So then, look no beyond, search no further. Our future is here in Haryana. Welcome to Digital Haryana.